I'm going to start with you, Katie, and we're going to talk about the future, if you will, not 10 years out, probably not even 5 years out, but what does it look like 3 years out? If you want to incorporate, your top lesson learned in there, have at it. But what does it look like for BMC? What's kind of coming out of the petri dish, the demand signal that you're getting, and what does it look like when one looks around? What do you all imagine the environment will be at that state?
That's a fantastic question, and we have been doing significant work with some of particularly our DoD partners in the edge, and however anyone wants to define the edge. Mm-hmm. But really, the concept that we see is going to be, and this isn't just, by the way, for federal, it's certainly not just for Department of Defense, but really for anybody who's got a lot of items in their network that would be considered the Internet of Things. So we're working with organizations, particularly in the DoD, on a concept called a digital twin. So imagine if you take a fighter jet and you use all of the instrumentation that's in that fighter jet and you create a digital copy of that you can monitor, that you can automate remediations if something goes wrong. Think about what that means to the warfighter in terms of the ability to get back up and running, the ability to anticipate problems before they happen, and leveraging a foundation of artificial intelligence to help predict that is going to be huge. And that's going to be in the next 2 to 3 years thing. Our innovation labs are working, not, like I said, not just with Department of Defense customers, but also working with energy utilities, thinking about mapping a digital twin of bulk electric system components. So we see that as truly the future, harnessing the power of the instrumentation and IoT to build out something that's going to fundamentally change the way that people manage their infrastructure.